Good morning, little friends. Open the curtains and let the sun shine in. After getting ready, fold your pajamas and put them in their place. Comb your hair. Looking neat feels great. Put on your clothes and get ready. Let's start our day. Which fruit should we choose? Apple, banana, or orange? Yummy and healthy! Before we eat, wash your hands. Soap, scrub, rinse and dry. Time to pack. Put your books, pencil box, and water bottle in your bag. Shoes on! Check your laces! And get ready to go! Walking outside? Stay with a grown-up and walk safely. At school, listen, learn, and ask questions. Learning is fun. Sharing is caring. Caring. Share your toys and be kind to your friends. Finished eating? Help clean your place and keep it tidy. Yay! Yummy lunchtime! Let's enjoy our healthy food together. Fresh air and playtime. Run, hop, and have fun. After play, bath time. Get clean, fresh, and ready for the evening. Keep your things in their place. A tidy room feels wonderful. Feels wonderful.
Now it's quiet time. Take a deep breath and relax. Choose a favorite book and read before bedtime.
Sweet stories make happy dreams.
Close your eyes, relax, and sleep well. Tomorrow is another happy day.
Be clean, be kind, eat healthy, and stay active. Which good habit do you love? Like and subscribe!